Hello friends! We were using in our biking adventure for the last 8 months or so, every day, around 12 hours per day, the same model of shoes. These shoes are La Sportiva Bushido II, and we have quite a bit to say about them. First of all, you need to know that this is our second pair of these shoes. We used in the first 7 months or so of our adventure one pair, which they got pretty destroyed, and we bought the same model again. So we're using these shoes for mountain biking every day, basically for both climbing very steep off-road trails and also for the downhill sections. They offer a lot of stability on the platform pedals, which we are very happy with. We also use these shoes for crossing rivers, for hike a bike, for pushing our bikes over very steep mountains, and so far we have to say this is the perfect model that one can use for every kind of outdoor activity. I have to be honest, I didn't use these shoes so far for trail running, so I cannot really tell if they are comfortable or not for trail running. When we bought these shoes, Miri bought her shoes one size bigger than her normal shoe size, and I bought them 2 sizes bigger because I have wider feet. And so far they're working pretty great.
We're very happy with the soles of our shoes because they have a very good grip to our pedals. So the pedals have those sticky thingies, and then the soles of the shoes also have a very good profile, and they almost intertwine in a way that sometimes it's even very hard to get the shoes off. So this is how I imagine people who are riding click pedals. Of course, I've never done that, but it's, as I said, it's a very good match, the pedal and the soles. But in a way that I'm not scared as I would be if I was riding click pedals. They performed extremely well off-road and especially on hike bikes. When you have loose ground or slippery, we could always rely on those shoes. Like, we had other problems and we didn't have to worry about not having any grip with these shoes. So yeah, I think it's a very good investment for both, of course, trail running and mountain biking, and especially adventure mountain biking like we tend to do, yeah. I think we found them each for about 100 euros, maybe a tiny bit less even, but of course discounted. One thing that is also astonishing about them, at least for us, because we've had other shoes in the past, I don't need to name them, but they don't stink. I was seriously shocked because before we've done also long distance bikepacking trips, and the shoes started stinking after, I would say a week or so. But those ones, I don't know. Of course, we wash them regularly whenever we get the chance, but those shoes don't stink. Yeah, and of course, with all those advantages, I would recommend them to anybody who wants to go out and do stuff in nature. Tell us in the comments below which shoes you're using and if you're happy with them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.